Seriously, we need to address some issues going on in our videos. We discover people are watching our videos, and you guys need to subscribe. We are going through hell. One will go to Abeokuta, we'll go to Ibadan, we'll go to so many places. It's not easy. You want the video finish now, you just watch it. Some people don't even like, you don't even comment, you just go ping. With all my saying, some of you will not still like, please, meet that person, come and talk.
If I tell you all about my experience, where I'm just coming from, you guys will pity for me.
You know what? What this video, no subscribe, okay? Just go. I beg no face, please subscribe.
Please, don't be just subscribe.